Hey guys, this is Sai Hari Krishnan from the Treblab.net, and today let's check out the Treblab HD77 high definition wireless speaker. So some key features are 360 degree sound, true wireless stereo, IPX6, 12 hours of playtime, and you can also answer phone calls. Box pack with the speaker, charging cable, 3.5mm audio cable, carrying strap, and a carabiner. The specifications of the product is given. If you want to read this, you can just pause the video and read the same. So this product retails at a price of $79 or around 5,500 rupees, and you can get this from Treblab.com. Unboxing the box pack, we have the speaker itself, and we have the volume up button, the play and pause button, the volume down button, and the power on button. Then to the bottom, we have some specification given, such as the model number, input voltage, designed by Treblab in USA, and then we have the aux and the charging slot. So you can see that we have the aux cable port and the charging port here. So this is the speaker, and here we have the Treblab logo. 3.5mm aux cable, USB charging cable, the carrying strap, user manual. Let's power on the speaker. So we'll have to press this button for a few seconds. And you can see now the speaker has been powered on.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
You can see now it's in pairing mode. When the light is blinking, it's in pairing mode. On the Bluetooth, you can see we have the Treblab HD77 speaker showing up. So we'll just click it and pair the same. Let it pair it up.
Connected.
So you can see now the Treblab HD7 speaker is connected. So as now the Treblab HD77 speaker is connected to a phone, let us try to play some music. So here is a NCS music. Let me play it. We started it.
Maximum volume. So as you guys saw, the sound is very loud and the bass is just amazing. We got a 360 degree full sound, so you can see, listen, and you will feel the music. It seems that the music is all around from the corner of the room. So it feels that you are listening to a surround sound system, and it gives an amazing feeling while listening to music on the system. That was a quick unboxing and review of the Treblab HD77 speaker. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel as a Trendy Blog. Check out our website, which is www.thetrendyblog.net, for more such cool reviews and videos. So guys, this is Sai Hari Krishnan signing off. I'll catch you guys soon in my next one. Till then, peace out.